Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. The Ordinary Seaman, or OS, represents the essential entry-level position within the deck department and is the starting point for a career in the Merchant Navy. While the rank is considered junior, the OS is a vital member of the team who performs the fundamental tasks required to keep a vessel clean, safe, and operational. The life of an ordinary seaman is one of constant movement and hands-on learning as they work under the direct supervision of the bosun and alongside experienced able seamen. Much of the daily routine for an OS revolves around ship maintenance, which is a never-ending battle against the corrosive effects of salt water and the harsh maritime environment. You will often find the OS engaged in the heavy labor of scaling and chipping rust away from the ship's steel decks and bulkheads, followed by the careful application of primers and marine paints. This work is critical for the long-term structural integrity of the vessel. Beyond maintenance, the OS plays a key role during mooring and anchoring operations. They assist in preparing the mooring lines and fenders, and they are trained to handle the ropes safely to avoid the dangerous snapback zones that occur under high tension. During cargo operations, the OS helps in the cleaning of cargo holds or the securing of deck cargo, ensuring that everything is ready for the next voyage. On the bridge, the OS begins to learn the art of seafaring by serving as a lookout during their assigned watch hours. They are taught to identify navigation lights of other ships, recognize various buoys, and report any sightings of land or hazards to the officer of the watch. This is where they develop the situational awareness that is crucial for any sailor. Safety is integrated into every task, and the OS participates in all emergency drills, from firefighting to lifeboat launching, to ensure they can act quickly in a crisis. They are also responsible for general housekeeping duties, such as cleaning the common areas and assisting in the movement of provisions and stores when the ship is in port. The role of an OS is physically demanding and often involves working in extreme temperatures and rough weather, but it serves as the ultimate classroom for the practical skills of seamanship. To progress to the rank of able seaman, the OS must gain a specific amount of sea time and demonstrate mastery over basic maritime skills including knots, splices, and safe working practices. By showing dedication and a willingness to learn from the more experienced crew, the OS builds the resilience and work ethic needed to rise through the ranks. They are the hard-working foundation of the deck department, ensuring that the ship remains a well-maintained and safe platform for global trade. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.